Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our second chapter of grammar, that is kinds of sentences. Yesterday I have sent you this chapter. I hope you all have read this chapter. Student, we had already studied about sentences in our previous chapter of grammar, that is our first chapter. Our second chapter is also kinds of sentences. It is also about sentences. But students, let's revise it again. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense or meaningful sense. Okay students, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense or meaningful sense. For example, I am a teacher. You are a student. Rose is a beautiful flower. All these are sentences because all these are group of words which are giving us a meaningful sense. Okay students. Now students, a sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. As you are seeing here that the first letter of a sentence is capital. In all the sentences, the first letter is in capital letter and all the sentence ends with full stop. Here you are saying that there is a full stop in each and every sentence. Okay students, a sentence always has a verb and all the sentence has a verb, means an action word. So this is a sentence. Now students, there are four kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. First one is assertive, second one is interrogative, third one is exclamatory, and fourth one is imperative. Okay students, how many kinds of sentences are there? There are four kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Okay students, now let's study about the first sentence, that is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is also called declarative sentence. Declarative sentence or assertive sentence. An assertive sentence makes a statement. Okay students, an assertive sentence means sentence which simply say or state something. State something means that is said or written, which gives us some information or giving a meaningful statement. That is assertive or declarative sentence. Assertive sentence is also of two kinds. First one is affirmative and second one is negative. In affirmative, there is always a simple statement or a sentence which is in a positive way, and second one is negative. That is negative sentence which is always in negative sense, in which we use no, not, doesn't, does not, do not. In this way we can make our sentence into negative form. Now first one is affirmative. Affirmative means she is late, and in negative she isn't late. Isn't means is not. The short form of is not is isn't. She isn't late. The sun has risen. This is a positive or affirmative sentence, and the negative is the sun hasn't risen. Hasn't means has not. The short form of has not is hasn't. The sun hasn't risen. Misha ran fast. Misha didn't run fast. Didn't means did not. He lives in Delhi. He doesn't live in Delhi. Why we are using here doesn't? Because in our verb form there is s. जब भी हमारे verb में s और es होगा वहाँ हम negative के लिए does use करेंगे और not. Okay students, whenever we have s or es in our verbs we use does, and to make it negative we use not. He doesn't live in Delhi. Anu can speak English. Anu can't speak English. Here it is written can because it is in a positive, in assertive sentence, and if we want to make it in a negative form we use our can into can't or cannot. It is a short form of cannot. Anu cannot speak English. So students, these are our assertive or declarative sentences. Now our second sentence is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence students? An interrogative sentence asks a questions. जैसे कि हमें इस वर्ड से ही पता चल रहा है, means intro. Interro means to interrogate someone, to inquire someone. जब हम किसी से किसी के बारे में इंक्वायरी करते हैं, when we inquire something from someone, it is called interrogative. Interrogative sentence ask a questions. In interrogative sentence always means that someone is asking something. Such a sentence ends with a question mark. Here you all are saying students that all the interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Whenever we ask something to someone or to inquire something, to interrogate someone, it always in a interrogative sentence. It means we are inquire something and it always ends with question mark. For example, what is your father means what is your father doing? उनका प्रोफेशन क्या है? मीन्स वो डॉक्टर हैं, प्रोफेसर हैं या टीचर हैं या और इज़ ही अ पुलिसमैन. What is your father means what is your father's occupation or profession. It means he is asking something, that's why it is ends with a question mark. Do you play cricket? He is asking to you that do you play cricket? Ends with a full question mark. Can you lift this box? क्या तुम इस बॉक्स को उठा सकते हो? Again this is a question, so it is ends with a question mark. Where are you going? Again it's a question mark. Did Namya sing a song? Again he is asking that did Namya sing a song? क्या नाम्या गाना गा सकती है? Did Namya sing a song? क्या नाम्या ने गाना गाया? That is question mark. So an interrogative sentence asks a questions. These are all in a question form. So these are interrogative sentences. Okay students, now our third sentence is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling such as pleasure, anger, surprise, etc. Okay students, exclamatory sentence means which has some strong feeling. For example, when we are happy, when we are very angry and when we get some kind of surprise. तो उस समय जो हमारे expressions होते हैं, when we are sad, तो उस समय हम उदास बैठते हैं. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी होते हैं तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा स्माइल करते हैं, सबसे अच्छे से बात करते हैं. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ एक्सप्रेशन. और जब हमें कोई सरप्राइज़ देता है तब हमारे एक्सप्रेशंस भी कुछ और ही होते हैं. तो हम क्या कहते हैं? वाओ. जब हम ऐसे करके बात करते हैं मीन्स वी गेट सम काइंड ऑफ अ सरप्राइज. सो ऑल दीज आर अ expressions of our strong feelings. Such a sentence ends with a sign of exclamations, that is a exclamatory sign. That is an exclamation sign. For example, what a shame. Again ends with exclamatory sign. How wonderful. Again exclamatory sign. How foolish he is. Again exclamatory sign. What a lovely flower. Again exclamatory. All these sentences giving us kinds of expressions of our feeling, कि हर कंडीशन में हम किस के जैसे फील करते हैं, हम कैसे अपने एक्सप्रेशंस देते हैं. ऑल दीज एक्सप्रेशंस आर comes under our exclamatory sentences. Now, next and last is our imperative sentences. An imperative sentence is a command, advice or request. Imperative sentence means, students, it is a kind of command, advice or request. In these sentences, when we give some kind of command or order, when we give advice to someone, or when we request for something to someone, this is called imperative sentence. For example, shut the door. It is a kind of command or order. That means someone is giving an order, shut the door. Help the poor. It is a kind of advice कि हमें गरीबों की मदद